5 cost-effective ways to refresh your kitchen. Dear friends, the kitchen is a central part of your home, and a task-oriented, aesthetic and social space. If it doesn't meet your expectations and needs, whether in terms of functionality or design, it may be time for an upgrade. Remodeling your kitchen can boost the value of your home, making daily kitchen activities more enjoyable, whether it's cooking, sharing meals with family members or entertaining your friends. Many homeowners believe a kitchen makeover is time-consuming and expensive, but this is only partly true. But the good news is that in many cases, a major renovation isn't required. Some minor changes will make a significant difference in the space. Keep reading to learn how to freshen the look of your kitchen without breaking the bank. Add a coat of paint. Do you know the most cost-effective way to transform a room's look and feel instantly? It's painting. This versatile medium can be used creatively in many ways and can go a long way in making your kitchen brighter and giving it a fresh look. Painting is one of the easiest ways to add a trendy color to the space, but ensuring it complements the flooring and cabinetry is essential. It is best to choose neutrals to give your kitchen a fresh look, as they cover plenty of chic and exciting hues. Upgrade kitchen cabinets. There's no need to replace your cabinetry unless it is fully damaged and thus, it is no longer functional. You can simply consider updating your cabinets with a few tricks. For example, paint can make your old cabinetry look more modern, and you can either opt for all white or warm hues that are also trending colors. Kitchen cabinets collect dust and grime in time, making them look outdated. So, brightening your kitchen can sometimes be as simple as giving your cabinetry a deep clean. Another thing you can do is upgrade the knobs and pulls. Accessories make a great difference in the kitchen, so you should consider changing the hardware as it is an inexpensive facelift. Consider changing the faucet. Replacing the old kitchen faucet is a cost-effective fix. Sink will look brand new by replacing the faucet, particularly if the grout around it is refreshed and the cabinets are painted. Add a backsplash. A backsplash is an essential element in a kitchen, having both a functional and aesthetic purpose. Not only does it protect the walls, but it also adds interest and color to the space. Adding a backsplash is a budget-friendly way to upgrade your kitchen, especially if you are into DIY projects. Different materials are suitable for backsplashes, including tile, stone, metal, peel and stick wallpaper, and so on. Opt for new lighting fixtures. Outdated fixtures inevitably impact the aesthetic of your kitchen, so you should consider replacing them to maximize visibility in important areas of the space and make it look more modern. You shouldn't only limit yourself to main ceiling fixtures. Under-cabinet lighting matters more than you think, having the potential to make your kitchen a lot brighter by illuminating darker spots in the kitchen. Adding more light into the space will make your kitchen look and feel bigger. LED lighting is a great option for several reasons. It emits less heat, uses less energy, and lasts significantly longer than incandescent bulbs. Conclusion: renovating a kitchen can be costly, so homeowners stick to the old kitchen design even if it no longer makes them happy. Luckily, not all kitchen remodeling projects have to be expensive. You may think that transforming your kitchen requires considerable improvements that cost you a lot of money, but that's not necessarily the case. You should never underestimate minor changes, as they can actually be transformative. Budgeting and prioritizing are both essential when looking to upgrade your kitchen in a cost-effective way. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.